Now design challenges, this gives you some part of it which I already talked about for analog. Now if you look at upper value and lower value, these are the signal and noise, right. This is basically the signal range and this is the noise. So noise pretty much is pretty much at the detectable range. So we need to definitely come up with some kind of approach to reduce noise. This is an external noise, right. So make sure that your devices, you have sufficient filtering, you have the you understand how to handle this noise, right. However, in the digital domain, right, if you look at it, these levels are well within the margin of noise. So we are not that much bothered about noise in digital. Now this is a pure sine wave, this is a continuous wave, right, and then because of distortion and all, right, this particular signal, if it goes through a kind of like analog design component and the component is non-linear, you will end up having an output which is this, right. So you need to understand how to improve linearity. There are techniques, there are ways to improve linearity.